Well, Facebook Marketplace strikes again. Found an awesome deal. 2004 Chevy Cube van. However, I let my buddy buy it because he needs it for his rat rod, the 1918 Ford. So we're gonna go pick it up and check it out and see how good a deal he got. But I already have a Cube van. I don't really need another one, but this was a great deal. And so we're gonna go pick it up and I'm gonna drive it to his house and I'll show you the 1918 that we plan to body swap and make a 1918 Ford camper rat rod. Sounds crazy, it probably will be. So kind of excited. It's gonna be a cool project to work on and hopefully we have it done for Rat Stock 3 next year. Well, the real problem to this, the back door broke. So they quit using it and it's been sitting for a while. So we're gonna see. The exhaust is also broken, but for what we're after, this is gonna work great. Take the whole body off and turn it into a 1918 Ford. It's gonna be an interesting project here. Well, it's really loud. Doesn't have very much gas in it, but it's got 40 pounds of oil pressure and we're driving. So Big Raj just got himself a powertrain for his rat rod. All right, so the plan is to take the front half of this 1918 Ford and we're gonna put the Cube van box on the back half and we're gonna use that chassis and we're gonna have a 6-liter powered 1918 Ford that he's gonna turn into a camper of sorts, more of a gypsy van. So the box is gonna be recoated with wood and you gotta squint your eyes and think about it to make it work in your head. But that cab, they're replacing the Chevy cab and then turn this into like an old style camper with wood sides and a wood roof, and it's gonna look amazing, I bet. Well, I hope so, because it's a lot of work and it looks like we have till Rat Stock 3 to get it done. All right, so I figured after showing you Roger's project for Rat Stock 3, I'm gonna show you my Rat Stock 3 project. It is a 1940 Ford. The plan for this is gonna be a complete chassis, motor swap, completely redone, and ready to go across the country. My goal is to be able to take this thing on the Hot Rod Power Tour and possibly take it on the entire journey for Rat Stock 3. So, not sure if I'm gonna make it. I got a lot of work to do with it, but I'm pretty sure Raj will be able to make his work. We'll have to wait and see.